It was a normal day. How people would start their day, how school student, a student, a small child who went to school with their dreams carried for future started their day. I started my day towards school. I leaped my feet outside my home. As soon as I arrived into the school, I was so happy. It was a new day. We were carrying our dreams, our future. Suddenly, as soon as I kept my feet in the premises of school, I heard some words. Tsakka, Izara. These were the words that uttered in my mind. त्यो शब्दहरू सुन्न बित्तिकै I felt hesitant. I felt sad. होइन किन यो मान्छेहरूले मलाई किन यसरी भनिरहेको छ? Why are people calling me this way? I take my memories back to many years ago. It was 19 years ago when there was happiness in my family. Everyone was so happy. My parents were happy. The first male child in my family. My grandparents were happy. The first male child in my family. But was that happiness worth happiness of mine? I was born as male 19 years ago from today. Once you were born as male, a patriarchal society, you started getting into stereotypes. Your parents start seeing dream for you. I was also raised in that kind of stereotype. But I always behaved and presented myself that was different from what every other male was expected to behave, what was called not normal. So, मेरो दिदीहरूसँग गएर चुरी लगाउने and कपाल पाल्ने हुन्छ नि. Then people started to notice me and people started to call me these very particular words that are very common in every street and a lot of your mouths. Tsakka, Izara. अनि कतिलाई कति आनन्द पनि आउँछ हैन ला एकदम ठुलो काम गरे हैन उलाई चाहिँ मलाई यस्तो भने भने a lot of people even feel proud in that. I stepped inside the school, as every other student used to. But I was scared. I was looked at as I was alien from Mars. People didn't want to stay with me. Oh, यो त केटा भए पनि कस्तो केटी जस्तो छ हैन योसँग किन बस्नु पर्यो? I stayed in class. क्लासमा हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ म बोल्यो भने मेरो हात हल्लिन्छ, सबैले मलाई नराम्रो भन्छ, म किन बोल्नु पर्यो र? म टोइलेट जान्थेँ. अब बोइज टोइलेटमा गएर लाइन बस्यो भने यो त तिम्रो टोइलेटै होइन, तिम्रो लागि त टोइलेटै छैन भनेर भन्थ्यो. So I always was stopping myself. I was stopping to express myself. Days passed. I started to enter adolescence. लाइनमा धेरै कन्फ्युजन थियो. म चाहिँ अब किन यस्तो अरू भन्दा चाहिँ अरूहरूले त यस्तो भन्छ, म चाहिँ किन अरू भन्दा फरक होला भन्ने चाहिँ मनमा धेरै लाग्थ्यो. And one day when adolescence, that puberty sense started to kick in, I had a crush with a guy. And so that took my internal conflict into a whole new level. Why am I feeling this way? Why am I feeling this way? It was hard time because I was raised in society that called males on mincha, females on mincha. They grow up to be man and woman. They get married with each other. The society I was not fitting in. But after identity खोजिरहेको थिएँ. And I came up with this news, Santosh Pantako छोरा वाला news, which was very viral in that time when I was studying grade 8. With that news flowing in, I read that news and I found out about myself, and then I started to look at. I still remember those days. त्यसमा घरमा कम्प्युटर पनि थिएन अनि त्यसमा like internet access पनि थिएन. I used to go to Mongol Bazarको साइबरमा and then एउटा कुन्नाको कम्प्युटरमा कहाँ अलिकति सिक्रेट हुन्छ कसैले पनि देख्दैन भनेर. I used to look about transgender, एकदम educational कुराहरू खोज्थेँ. Sometimes porn पनि. तर त्यो खोज्दा चाहिँ खोज्थेँ हैन. So I was like trying to look up myself, and gradually I came to know कि मेरो sexual orientation चाहिँ यो हो. यो चाहिँ मेरो identity चाहिँ यो हो. And यसरी नै चलिरहेको थियो दिनहरू. स्कुलमा जान्थेँ, सबैले हेर्थ्यो, यो छक्का आयो भनेर भन्थ्यो. अनि people used to say they don't want to stay with me मसँग टिफिन नखाने मसँग बोल्नु हुँदैन मेरो छेउमा बस्नु हुँदैन तर एक्जामको बेला फेरि नोट्स चाहिँ माग्नुहुन्छ है अरु चाहिँ केही पनि गर्नु हुँदैन एक्जाम आयो भने चाहिँ मलाई तिमी एक्जाममा देखाउ ल भने चाहिँ भन्नुहुन्छ 9 क्लासमा पुगे हैन and a day came where I had it enough. That was enough. Enough of your thakka and izara. I don't know what that means. I am a transgender person and I'm proud to be that. I yelled in front of everyone in the class. And I still remember ki to class 5 minutes sama silent thiyo. That was the moment where I took my life towards a new series. Then I thought I need to come out and I need to tell people, I know, मेरो आफ्नो बारेमा चाहिँ म यो हो भने सबैलाई भन्नुपर्छ. I felt that. अब पहिला सुरु त यो यस्तो खालको मान्छे हो भनेर भनिरा छ. अब त्यसमाथि मैले क्लासमा सबैको अगाडि I confirmed that. यो हुन्छ नि यो त यस्तो खालको मान्छे हो भने म सबैको आफ्नै मुखबाट कन्फर्म गरे. It spread like a fire all over the school. यतिसम्म थाहा पायो कि like even my principal came to know that, हैन. I thought अब प्रिन्सिपल हो अनि एकदम राम्रो अब हुन्छ नि मलाई सपोर्ट हुन्छ भने I thought that way. And it was like म 9 क्लासमा पढिरहेको थिएँ हैन अनि maybe I was about returning my home अनि मिनी स्कर्ट लगाइरहेको थिएँ घरमा अनि त्यसलामा कपाल बाल थियो के मेरो चाहिँ अनि like wig लगाएर I was walking on the streets and I think it was my first date हैन but I don't remember that guy anymore. ठिकै छ so many dates अब कहाँ याद हुन्छ त तर but then still अब like my principal saw that and he was like Jadu Mangal Grahabata. So like he felt that होला. The other day he came class ma sabai jana agadi ma exam दिइरा थिए अनि तिमी उठ. Then I was told to act. Then I was told to stand. Then he suddenly pulled me out in the corridor, grabbed my hair and pulled me out of the corridor. And I still remember that big fist of his hands that were on my head, that were on my back. I still remember that leg on my back. Titlama, the whole school heard what he yelled was, "You're bringing bad name to our school. Timi यसरी भएर हिँड्यो भने हाम्रो स्कुल बदनाम हुन्छ." It's just 15 minutes to express my stuff, but that was more than 4 years. 1 year of 365 days and so many hours to spend in school with all the isolation, with all discrimination I had to face from my friends. And now, even my principal was my bully. I came out at home, हैन घरमा खुलिसकेपछि त अब फोन आयो मम्मीहरुलाई तिम्रो छोरा त के भयो and then like there was a whole new drama that started in my home. And my principal even calls my parents and तिम्रो बच्चाले यस्तो गर्यो भने चाहिँ तिम्रो स्कुल एसएलसी दिन प्रोहिबिट गर्छौं स्कुलबाट निकाल्दिन्छौं and blah 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 blah. Life was very miserable for me स्कुलमा. कसैले पनि बोल्न चाहदैन थियो except exam है फेरि. कसैले पनि बोल्न चाहदैन थियो अनि there were a series of harassment that was physical, that was verbal and I still remember that day कि SLC को last exam थियो कि अनि last exam को दिनमा अनि सबैजना साथीहरु निस्क्यो हैन and I was like I screamed के हैन अनि like साथीहरु ओ किन त बौलाएछ भने you know what I am free from today and that was the to मेरो लागि एकदम freedom को feeling थियो because to school end भइसकेपछि I didn't have to stay under that principle and now I could express myself freely. Yes, I did. त्यतिलामा चाहिँ हैन दुईटा बल्स हुन्थ्यो अहिले जस्तो बुब्स छैन हैन त्यतिलामा बल्सहरु राखेर हिँड्थे अनि टी-शर्ट किन्न गएको थियो लगन खेलमा I still remember के कस्तो आला अब कसैले देख्छ कि देख्छ यस्तो गरी हेर्यो हैन सो टी-शर्ट किनेर ल्यायो अनि प्यान्ट किनेर ल्यायो and I started to come out. अनि a lot of people would have told me कि तिम्रो लाइफ त एकदम डार्क छ अनि यहाँबाट अलि डार्कै देखिरहेछ नि हो कि जस्तो पनि लाग्छ कि फेरि तिम्रो लाइफ त एकदम डार्क छ अनि मेरो लाइफ त डार्क रहेछ है अनि यस्तो in life I always look back towards 4 years ago what I was and now what I am के अनि भन्छ तिमीलाई त अब समाजमा कसैले पनि रेस्पेक्ट गर्दैन. What I feel is I don't want to be, I'm not looking for your respect. That's not what I want. But what I can make sure is I do not get disrespected. So सबैभन्दा important कुरा चाहिँ त्यो हो, okay? A lot of times, I always look back that 4 years ago. Life कस्तो थियो? त्यसलामा एकजना मात्र boyfriend थियो, अब कति धेरै boyfriend छ, हैन? त्यो नि हो. तर how life has changed मेरो लागि भनेपछि the most important कुरा चाहिँ अरूले मेरो बारेमा बोलेको हैन, मैले आफ्नो बारेमा बोल्ने हिम्मत गरेँ. That's why today I am here. Today I am in front of you presenting in this way. यदि मैले त्यो नबोलेको भए, मेरो life would be somewhere the same person who used to be suppressed अनि गरे हिँड्थे होला. लुकी केटाहरूसँग chat गर्थे होला, openly भन्दैन थिए होला. What life has taught me in these 4 years is to stand up yourself, be vocal, no matter whatever situations are there, you know. Ani struggles are still there for me as a transgender person. अस्ति भर्खरै टियुमा भर्ना लिन गएको थिएँ. तपाईहरु जस्तो विद्यार्थीले भर्ना लिएको हाम्रोमा ट्रेन नै छैन. तपाई त त्रिभुवन विश्वविद्यालयको नियमावली पढेर आउनुस् त भनेर I was told that. Okay? Life is still struggling for me. तर अहिले I have my family with me. सबभन्दा important कुरा त्यो पनि रहेछ के family को acceptance. And then the most important thing is I am able to speak for myself. I am not scared from people. I am able to stand for myself, and that's what makes your life. Struggle हुँदा हुँदै पनि हैन अहिले त कस्तो पनि लाग्छ भने अब कसैले केही भनेन अनि उनीसँग झगडा गर्न पाएन भने कस्तो कि अब त्यो हुन्छ नि मसला नै पुगेन कि लाइफमा जस्तो पनि फिल हुन्छ. So yes, it seems that life is very dark. It's very difficult when you have to come out, when you're breaking the gender norms, when you're breaking social norms, and when you're breaking that normality. It's very difficult. But if you do that, you know, there's a beautiful rainbow ahead. Thank you.